I don't know if you can hear. Okay, repeat.
I'm really excited.
Good, good. How are you feeling? I don't know if I'm kind of scared. Scared? Okay. Scared excited. I think we're gonna be okay because we're at the back of the boat. So there's a cave over there where we're stopping to swim for the first time on the trip, and there's a cave over there that you can go and swim at, which is pretty cool.
Can I ask you a favor?
Hey. Right now, I don't know if this is dumb, but like I'm hiking up this trail at Grandma Bay. It's a stop on our boat tour. So this is about the distance that you can see where I'm at. And there's still like a ways to go. So I'm not sure how this is going to go, but I'm gonna keep trying. Yeah, I'm already in kind of deep, and I just have these shoes on. I definitely think it's a better idea to come with like some solid water shoes or something, because the beaches here are very rocky, so your feet are going to hurt, but it'll be okay. I have no idea where I'm supposed to go up here. So right now I'm in Bluest National Park, National Archaeological Park, near Samil in Albania, and it's very interesting, learning a lot about the Roman period here. So it's good for education, but it's also good for just enjoying a pleasant walk. It's much cooler here because of all the foliage. Bluest Archaeological Park is located near Samil.
I took a bus from Saranda, so it was a bit longer to get there. It can take anywhere between 30 minutes to an hour-ish, at least while I was there, and it cost about 200 lek or €2 to go. I would recommend getting on at an earlier bus stop because seats do fill up fast. It is the same public bus that takes you from Saranda to Samil. However, to get off at Butrint, you just stay until the very last stop. Remember to keep cash and coins on you for the fare. Park is very interesting though, because it shows the history of inhabitants from the prehistoric age all the way up until the Middle Ages when it was abandoned after turning into a marsh. It shows history of Greek, Roman, and Venetian rule. If you want more information on the site itself, I've linked the UNESCO World Heritage site in the description for reference.
So behind me, this is really cool, but it's a gate that's associated with Greek legend, and it shows like the masterful engineering of the time, because none of these bricks like on this wall are held together by mortar. It's all of them fitting precisely into each other. So I think that that's just really cool. I mean, like, look at these bricks. The way that they just fit together is really nice.
How do you feel?
I feel good. First time in Samil. Excited. Look at the water.
It's very clear.
Very clear. Very pretty. The vibe.
we're headed to a different beach right now because there's more families at this one, and we'll see what it looks like at the next one. Yep. Say hello, everybody. Say hi.
Hello.
Okay.
So where do you want to sit?
This. Maybe in the next to this is more better.
Okay. You try. So most of the beaches here in Samil are private, so we don't want to pay like $1,000 for 2 beach chairs, because also we have other people coming. So what we're gonna do now is go near Bora Bora Beach, because apparently there's a public beach there that you can go to, which would be a little bit better of a situation for us, because we don't need beach chairs or anything. We just kind of want to sit down and enjoy it. So, yeah. We just walked from the original beach that we were at to another beach that's private, this one, and there's a lot less families and things here. It's very beautiful, but we're still deciding on what we're going to do. This is what it looks like. Can you show your ice cream? What flavor did you get?
Mango.
Nice. I got lemon. Oh, wait, I should turn this around. So, originally we were gonna, well, we came all the way to Bora Bora Beach, but it's about $2,000 again for a beach chair. And there's a lot of us, so now we're deciding. We went to another beach, but the price difference was only 500 lek, and so we're returning to the beach that we initially started at, or Bora Bora Beach, and trying to spend some time there because it's a little bit quiet, a little bit less families. It's a nice beach.
Yeah, I'm just hopping in because the rest of the time that I was there, I didn't record so much, but basically it was just a bunch of people at the hostel getting together, getting drinks, hanging out, doing just whatever. But that is the gist of my time on the Albanian coast. I had a great time. I really liked it. I hope you enjoyed the video. I am going to get better at editing on time and editing faster. I'm still learning about editing and how to film a video and just figuring out my style, so bear with me. But I am going to try and get these videos out a little bit more predictably. I'm heading to my next destination very soon. You won't find about it for a while because I am very backlogged on videos, unless you follow me on Instagram at @the_blue JBLUEJAE. I'll write it down here. But yeah, so thank you for watching again, and I hope you will watch the next video. Bye.